So this is a recent acquisition. This is a Hoover WindTunnel. It's this style that's been sold since the 90s and was sold up until like 10 years ago, I think it is, when the T-Series came out. This one appears to be from '09. It's made in Mexico, but the tag does not say Tektronix on it, so I don't know if it was made between when Maytag sold it and Tektronix bought it or what have you. But it needed a bag and it needed a belt, and it has both now. The belt's not the best, but it's one that I had that wasn't as stretched, so it'll run. One thing that I find interesting is this has the gray, tan, yeah, these are gray. I think they start off gray, but they fade out to tan, or they change the color slightly. Attachments versus this one over here. This is a 2011 that says Tektronix on the tag. This has black attachments. Other than that, identical machines. This thing was $16.50, so like $17.50 after tax. Get the cord figured out. And it runs good, though it has that newer, I think CWP made them. The round wood brush roll with the yellow bristles and the counterweights, and it's a little out of balance. I think they all kind of are, because I don't think they balanced them the best, but it runs fine otherwise. Here goes nothing on some high pile carpet. So yeah, there's quite a profound vibration in that brush roll. But, so yeah, that's this vacuum acquisition. I'll see you guys in the next one.